It is honestly the most beautiful morning. We are just being so blessed with these incredibly beautiful starts to the day, and with the birdsong and everything. But today really reminds me of the first day I had a course 23 years ago now, at the beginning of April, just like it is today. And it was a very, very hard frost. And I'd planted 2,000 tulips for all the customers coming on my first course to pick. And I came down in the morning and there'd been this hard frost and they were all bent double. And I was completely devastated and totally panicking as everyone was arriving. And I rang the RHS and I rang a friend of mine who was a farmer and asked him what to do. And they said that what I should do is, as with vineyards, you should water, and that apparently makes them thaw more gently. But anyway, what I learned is it just doesn't matter. The frost appears to be devastating and everything looks very wan, but by 11 o'clock everything's thawed and it's all absolutely perfect and completely upright. So don't panic if you get a hard frost. Unless you've got half-hardies out there, all the bulbs will be completely fine.